Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through a 5-minute cardio workout for seniors. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to put 30 seconds on the clock and our first move is going to be walking in place. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and move our feet and our arms as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouths. Focusing on our breath and our balance. We take deep breaths to get our lungs fired up. We have a couple seconds left of this move, and we're going to take a 15-second rest. Great job. We're going to get ready to move on to our next move, which is going to be a no-jump jack. We're going to stand up straight in a narrow stance, and we're going to step our left foot out, bring our right and left hand up, and step back in, and alternate to our right side. Let's go ahead and begin. Left leg comes up, arms come up. And bring it back in, and alternate to your other side. Go ahead and repeat, focusing on your breath. Inhaling as your arms come up, exhaling as they come down. We continue to focus on our breath, and we focus on our balance. Last couple seconds here. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're gonna move on to high knees next. If you need something to help you balance yourself for this next move, find yourself a chair or something stable, perhaps the wall, to help you stabilize yourself while we bring our knees up nice and high. Go ahead and join me. We're gonna bring our knee up, bring it back down and alternate to our right knee, focusing on engaging our core to bring our knee up, focusing on our breath as we improve our balance, and we move with confidence. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're gonna move to air punches next. We're gonna come to our fighter stance, and we're going to gently punch left and right. Nice clean punches. Let's get ready to begin. Go ahead and join me. Nice clean straight, nice clean jab. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focusing on your form. Nice clean punch. Move with coordination here. Last couple of seconds. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're gonna go ahead and move on to pushbacks with a leg extension next. We're going to extend our arms and our left leg, bring it back in, and we're gonna extend our arms again and our right leg. And let's go ahead and begin. Join me, left leg comes out, arms come out, and we alternate to our right side. Focus on your breath. Engage your core. That'll help you with your balance. Continue pushing out your arms and extending one leg out at a time. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're gonna go ahead and move on to arm raises next. We're gonna gently lift our arms out to our sides, up as we inhale, and down as we exhale. Let's go ahead and begin. Inhale, bring your gaze up, arms come up. Exhale, gaze comes down, arms come down. Repeat. Open up your lungs. Last couple seconds here. Finish that last warm up. Go ahead, take your 15. We're getting ready to finish up with a jogging in place. We'll finish strong. Go ahead and take this at your own pace. If you can't jog it, feel free to march it. Otherwise, we're moving nice and light on our feet here. Moving our arms. Focusing on our breath. Nice deep breaths here. head and your chest up. And don't forget to breathe. Last couple seconds here. Great job, guys. Great job. That concludes today's training. If you enjoyed today's routine, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.